So here are the symbols of pedigree analysis. These are the all symbols used for pedigree analysis and the pedigree chart. Now I will show you the pedigree analysis. So here it is a pedigree chart. Now we have to analyze that. It will be autosomal dominant or autosomal recessive or X-linked dominant or X-linked recessive. These are main types. Okay, now this is the first generation, this one is the second generation, this one third, and this one is fourth generation. Okay. Now how can I analyze it? Here we can see in this section, the first generation, one male is affected. Okay, now next generation, after mating, the next generation and the second generation, there are one affected mother or daughter, one is unaffected son, and another is affected son. So this one and this one, these are the generation. So first of all, daughter is affected and one son is affected. Okay, now next, in third generation, these are the generation. Okay, here we can see, if we can see that in these two, male and female, they are not affected. That's why the generation is skip out. Here we can see also they are not affected. In next generation we can see also, maybe here we can see that they are affected. Here they are not affected, they are not affected, they are affected sons. So if one generation is skip out, then it will be recessive. If generation is skip, then it is recessive. Okay, if skip out any generation, then it is recessive. Now we can see recessive is here. Okay, now we have to determine that it will be autosomal or X-linked. If X-linked, if it is a X-linked disorder, then we can see the crisscross inheritance here. Okay, in the generation, in the next level generation, there will be crisscross inheritance. We can see here crisscross. No, there is no crisscross. We cannot recognize here. There we cannot recognize because here it is affected, but no crisscross. Crisscross means, crisscross inheritance means, if crisscross, then X-linked. Okay, what is crisscross? What is crisscross? Father to mother to father, or mother to father, or son to the next generation, or daughter. Okay, so if crisscross inheritance from female to male to female, or male to female to male, it will be the X-linked disorder. It will be X-linked disorder. Okay, and for autosomal, in any generation at the same time, one male and one female will definitely affected. This will be autosomal. So here in the pedigree, here you can fit in the pedigree, in the second generation, one male and one female is affected. One male and one female is affected. Okay, so this will be autosomal. If any generation there will at the same time one male and one female is affected, then it will be autosomal. And if the skip out the generation, any generation, it will be recessive. Okay, we have to see in every generation analysis. Here you can see the skip out generation. Here you can skip out, you can see the skip out. There is also skip out generation, it will be recessive. If we consider this one, this will be dominant, but no, it is not dominant. We have to see the analysis of the generation. If you can see the analysis of the generation, then you can see the skip out. There is a skip out generation, there is a skip out generation, this is also skip out generation. You can see here, this is also skip out, skip off. So if skip off generation or skip out generation, this will be recessive. And if any generation, in any generation at the same time, one male and one female is affected, it will be autosomal. This is autosomal. So this pedigree is autosomal recessive.